It's our day 10. This is our day 10 walk around of our Siren. As you see, we have it in pieces now, pretty much. We have this taken off from the top ring. There's the bottom housing still attached, and the motor. Go over here, look at the motor. As you can see, we are continuing to remove paint. We have lots of paint removed. I just started removing paint off the motor yesterday. Got all that off. As you can see, there's still a lot of paint over here. There's no paint here on the top and on this ring. A lot of paint on the base still. To remove the paint, we used some paint stripper, as well as a scraper and a power sander. As you can see, Kendall over here still removing staples. We did take off the top weather screen. Here's the weather screen for this. I removed a lot of paint off of here today. And then here's the bottom housing. Still a lot of paint in the interior. The exterior, there's relatively none. And over here, he's taking out staples so we can get the bottom screen off. Alright.